Welcome to another practice in the Sunrise to Sunset series, practices that you can do both in the morning and in the evening time. The practice today is all supine, so we're going to be laying on our back for the whole practice. It is going to target the side body, the hips, and the psoas. You are going to need one block that we're going to utilize towards the end of practice, so just have it on standby. Let's start laying on our backs. Bringing your feet as wide as the mat and allowing your knees to knock in. From here, you're going to reach your arms up overhead. Grab a hold of the left wrist with your right hand. And as you pull your left wrist to the right, you're going to drop your knees to the right and hold. Feel a nice stretch in the left side body, left psoas. Let's gently draw the knees back towards center and bring the hands back up over the head. Grabbing a hold of your right wrist with your left hand, pull to the left as you drop your knees to the left. Draw the knees back towards center and straightening out the arms. Bringing the hands down by your side. Keeping your left knee bent, draw the right knee in towards the chest, interlace your fingers behind the back of the right hamstring. And from here, you're just rotating the ankle in one direction and in the other direction. You can point and flex the toes. From here, let's bend the right knee. Grab a hold of the right knee with the right hand and open out the right knee in towards the right armpit as you allow the left knee to drop. Taking now your right foot and you're crossing it over the left kneecap. You can stay here, pushing away on the right thigh with your right hand, or pick up the left foot, weave your hands through the hole, grabbing the back of the left hamstring, or on top of the left shin. Gently release the grip, but keep the shape. Just tip the shape over towards the left. So the sole of the right foot plants onto the floor. You can grab hold of the right foot with your left hand. Just making sure that your right knee isn't collapsing towards the floor. Cactusing the right arm, looking over the right shoulder. Bring the gaze back towards the ceiling and gently draw the shape back towards the center. Uncross the foot, readjust your hips. And we'll do this on the other side. So with your right knee bent, bend the left knee in towards the chest, interlace your fingers behind the back of the left knee, and then you're just rotating that left ankle in one direction. And the other. Again, point and flex the toe. From here, bending that left knee, grab a hold of the left knee with the left hand and draw the left knee in towards the chest and then in towards the armpit. Just holding it here as you allow the right knee to drop open to the right. Let's go ahead and cross that left ankle over the right kneecap, finding your variation on this side. Release the grip, but keep the shape. Tip the shape all the way over towards the right. So the left foot comes to the floor. Grab hold of the left foot with the right hand. You can cactus the left arm, looking over the left shoulder. Bringing the gaze back towards the center, drawing the shape back in and up. Uncross the ankles. And this is where you're going to need your block. With the knees bent, push into your feet, pick up your hips, place the block underneath your sacrum, and then push it down just a little bit. So the block is going to act as sort of a kickstand. We're going to draw the knees in towards the chest. So you don't want the block directly underneath your bum. It's almost acting like it's just acting as. as a kickstand. So from here, you're going to grab a hold of the pinky toe edge of your left foot and extend it out to the side as you grab the right foot and draw it in towards your groin. Switching sides, so bend the left foot in towards the groin and the right leg straightens out to the side. Let's bring that right foot back in towards the groin. And option to stay here in a reclined butterfly or finding full expression of happy baby. And in your happy baby, remember to pull down on your feet, draw the shoulders away from the ears, and you're pushing the back of the skull into the floor. On your next exhale, close the shape, close the knees, gently rock. Extend the legs down onto the mat. Readjust your hips so that the block is actually underneath your sacrum now, that nice flat piece of bone. Open the legs out wide for a nice full body stretch. Play with pointing and flexing the toes, feeling that pull of fascia along the hip. And let's gently bend the knees from here. Push into the feet, pick up your hips, remove the block, set your hips back down. Just take a few moments here. Slowly deepening the breath, feeling Feeling the fingers, the toes, rotating the ankles, the wrists, reaching the arms up overhead for a nice long body stretch. Reach, 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 reach. And on the exhale, just allow your bones to drop heavy. Bend the knees one by one, rolling over onto your side. And cradle the head in the upper arm. And then gently push yourself up to a seat. So with your eyes closed, let's end our practice with a nice big inhale. Draw the shoulders up towards the ears. An audible sigh out of the mouth. Gently opening the eyes. I do hope that you enjoy the practice and that your hips are feeling nice and open, as well as that side body and psoas area. Let me know when you did this practice, if this is a morning or an evening practice, or maybe you're doing it both morning and evening. Let me know in the comments. And I will see you back here again shortly for another practice.